Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a tutorial for you guys, and this time it is a twist out tutorial, a 2-strand twist on 4C hair. So let's get started. Okay, so my hair was actually already in a twist out before, and then this is an old twist out that I'm redoing. So there is some product in my hair and it's a little bit dirty, but before I washed it, I just wanted to get another twist out in. And I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and water, and those are the only products that I'm using. My hair is already quite moisturized because, like I said, there was product in it already, so it's more just reactivating the product. So as you can see, I spray the hair with some water. I just dampen it a little bit, and then I detangle. I always detangle my hair while it's damp and not dry, because that prevents breakage. And then I just take a little bit of the curling enhancing smoothie and just work it into my hair, focusing on those roots and detangling as I go. And yeah, so as you can see, I'm detangling as I go and just working the product in. I'm not putting too much at all because there was product in there. And then I just start twisting. It's a 2-strand twist, so I take split the hair in half and just twisting. As you can see, I twist each piece of hair around my finger before I twist it around the other piece of hair. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but yeah, I twist each piece of hair that I'm holding around my finger before twisting it around the other piece of hair. And I just keep twisting until I get to the ends, and then I detangle a little bit, add more product, and then twist until the very end. And I don't know what that face was. It probably was listening to some gangster rap or something. Okay, and then when I get to the end, I just twirl the ends just to make sure that it doesn't unravel. And yeah, that's how I do it. So as you can see, just to see it again, dampen the hair with some water, detangle, finger detangle. You can also use a comb or a brush if that's what you prefer, but of late I've been really liking to finger detangle. And then work the product in, and then twist the hair right till the end. And I'm also taking medium-sized sections, not too small because ain't nobody got time for that, right? But also not too big because you want it to have definition. So here you can actually see how thick my twists come out looking like. Yeah, so I just do that all around my head, and I'll be back to show you guys how I take it down and fluff it out and make it look super cute. So enjoy the video in the meantime, and I'll be back. This is how it looks at the back. and this is how long the twists are. As you can see, my parts are not equal at all. They're just kind of haphazard, and that's okay, because when you take it down, you don't want there to be like a very distinct middle parting. But what I do is, once I'm done, I take my scarf, my silk scarf, and I tie my hair back if I'm at home, or if I'm not, then I just go out like that. I probably just put some hair jewelry on and tie it in a cute style or something, and then I actually wear that for like 2 days, because I prefer my twist out to have been in for a day or two before I take down my hair, because it really sets well that way. So but you can also just take it down the next day if your hair sets quickly. This is the next morning. Well, actually, this is like 2 days later, I think. As you can see, I have hair jewelry and everything because I was wearing my hair down. I just take some coconut oil to do the takedown. This prevents frizz, and it also just brings shine to the hair. So I just smooth that into my hair, and then I start the takedown process. You want to be patient. I'm never patient when I'm undoing my hair, but you want to start from the bottom and really just unravel the hair slowly and carefully so that you don't cause frizz. And then you want to separate it where it separates naturally. You see, I'm doing it quite fast, but that's because my hair is quite well detangled. When it's very well detangled, then you don't have snags at the end. But sometimes, you have snags at the end, so you have to kind of start from the bottom and then unravel it that way. But when the benefit of detangling your hair very well before you do your twist out is that you won't come across tangles and when you're taking down your hair, and so there won't be frizz, there'll be more definition, and it'll look a lot better. So just keep that in mind. And so yeah, I just keep unraveling. Try not to over separate. Us naturals, we struggle with separating, but just be careful, pace yourself, and try not to over separate so that you don't lose that definition. Look at that definition, you guys. And look how shiny it is as well. This is why I love this product. It really works well on my hair, and I've been really enjoying using it, especially with the coconut oil on top. It just brings so much shine. So I completely recommend Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. go, guys. It's completely unraveled. I just brushed down my edges a little bit. Like I said before, I don't really use edge control that much. I just brush it down, and there you go. As you can see, it's very, very defined. It's super fluffy. It's moving. And yeah, that's just a quick length check for you. But I absolutely love how this style came out. It's been a foolproof method using minimal products so that my hair is not weighed down. And also, I didn't fluff out using an afro comb. I usually do that, but these days I haven't been, because I like to leave my hair to get bigger throughout the week. As you know, we never like first day hair as much as like second day or third day hair. So yeah, I prefer to let it grow throughout the week. And as you can see, I'm very pleased with myself. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope that it's helpful for everybody. And please do try out this method just using 2 products, your curl product, your smoothie or cream, and some water, and just detangling while twisting and then untwisting. And that's it. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.